Hi, I'm Vedant. I'm a rising sophomore at Monte Vista High School. So this is my final project, the shoulder recovery project. And I chose this project because I wanted to try something new, and machine learning was something I'd never done, and it's an upcoming field nowadays. So how how this works is basically there's data, and over here I've collected around 9 minutes, and I've separated it into four classes: idle, lateral raises, arm circles, and full bow. And these are shoulder exercises, so that the machine can easily classify my different shoulder movements into these four classes. I chose exercises because they are they are distinctly made for different parts of your shoulder, so it makes it easier for the machine to learn. So after I gathered the data, then I did some pre-processing, which is basically defining the small things of your training model. And I made my neural structure. I put I made 5 layers, and I put 126 neurons in each layer. Eventually, after a lot of tweaking, I got a 99.3% training rate, and I believe a 97% model testing rate. So, uh, for a demo, so right now, uh, it's fully wireless, and only thing it's connected to is this battery. So to get it started, I turned the battery on and I did some movements. And if you can see now, it predicts the highest rating. Right now, since I'm not moving my arm, it predicts idle with 100%. But suppose if I start doing arm circles, I do arm circles for a couple seconds, then it prints out arm circles with 100% rating. Same for the full bow, 100%, and same for like lateral raises, same thing. So how I coded that on the OLED was basically I first found out the highest percentage that it was. I found out like what class it was predicting. After that, I printed out that class and the prediction value on the OLED. So some challenges that I had during this this final milestone, was actually deploying my training model onto the Arduino. I went through a lot of iterations, because whenever I used to deploy it onto Arduino, it would like be really inaccurate and be almost guessing which labels there are. I eventually realized that it was because I had not set my target device to the Arduino Nano. And after I did that, it worked pretty smoothly. So what's next is I'm going to start with my modifications. I plan to incorporate ChatGPT or some AI, and I can display live suggestions on the spot. Thanks.